I was trained as an engineer, and I don't think I ever took a geology class. And so I really didn't know what the field entailed. But it just really, again, it seemed like all these people with advanced degrees in geology, right? But as I talked to them, I really had a hard time getting to discuss to even some of the more basic technical issues, like why subduction can't happen.
Right.
Because of the strength of granite and what happens under pressures, and
Right.
how it really, you can't slide granite. You can't, a simple force diagram shows that doesn't happen. And people that I talked to, just their eyes would just glaze over. So maybe I shouldn't even talk about this, but I did my own little deep dive, and I started digging into, well, what do geology schools actually teach? So I started pulling up top geology schools, and I looked at the coursework. What do you have to study to take? And I was shocked at how little real hard science there is in those curriculum.
Really?
A lot of observational stuff, a lot of stuff around minerals and dirt and stuff like that. Not a lot of physics, chemistry, strength of materials, energy, fluid flow, things that you kind of need to know about if you're going to study something so dynamic and catastrophic as a global flood. They don't study those things.
Yeah, and I think that's why Walt had the advantage. He understood energy and mechanisms and forces, and he looked at it up from an engineer, and he could put it together. And it's with his accurate predictions and his NASA discoveries.
So I just throw that out because if people shouldn't be intimidated because geologists don't believe in it or whatever, because